In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact monday.coom. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started by logging into your monday.coom account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard, where all your projects and tasks are displayed. This is the central hub of your workspace, and it sets the stage for reaching out for support. Next, you'll want to locate the help icon. Look for a question mark, which is typically found in either the bottom left or the top right corner of your screen. This little icon is your gateway to the support options available to you. It's easy to overlook, so take a moment to spot it. After locating the help icon, click on it. This action will open a menu where you can see various options related to support. Among these options, you'll want to select Contact Us. This is where your journey truly begins, as it connects you to the help you need. Now it's time to choose a communication channel that works best for your situation. If you prefer real-time assistance, select the chat option. This will open a chat window where you'll be able to type your query and receive immediate feedback. It's like having a support representative at your fingertips, ready to assist you promptly. On the other hand, if your issue is more complex or demands a detailed explanation, you might want to choose to send an email instead. This option is excellent for situations where you may need to include attachments or screenshots that illustrate the problem you're facing. Clear communication is key, and email allows for that. When composing your email, ensure that you provide a clear subject line. This helps the support team understand your concern right from the beginning. Also, make sure to include a detailed description of your issue. The more specific you are, the better equipped they will be to help you. If it's relevant, don't hesitate to attach any screenshots or documents that can aid in clarifying your situation. Visuals can often help in diagnosing a problem more swiftly. Before deciding to reach out for help, it may be beneficial to check out the Help Center. Within the Help menu, you'll find a knowledge base and FAQs section. Here, many common concerns and questions have already been addressed by the support team. Browsing these resources might save you time and offer quick solutions to what you might be experiencing. In conclusion, contacting monday.coom is designed to be a straightforward process. Whether you opt for the chat for immediate interactions or prefer the detailed approach of email, help is just a click away. Remember, the resources in the Help Center can also provide valuable insights that might resolve your issue quickly. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes reaching out to monday.coom a breeze.